everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Reni, and on my channel I do finance, fashion, lifestyle, and much more. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button if you want to see more of my content. I get this question all the time where people are saying, okay, I've watched your videos, I'm ready to start investing. What do I actually open with my bank, or what brokerage account do I actually open? So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to ask your bank to open on your behalf when you want to start investing. We're going to focus on self-directed investing today. We're not going to talk about opening a mutual fund, but it's almost the same process. To begin, you're going to go online. I will actually insert some demos of each of the banks if I can. Just outlining what buttons you're going to press in order to apply to open this account. The account that we're going to open is the tax-free savings account for investing. Tax-free savings account for direct investing. So right now, many of you probably have a Tfsa for saving, but we need a Tfsa for investing. You can also open an RRSP for investing and an RESP for investing, but we'll focus on a Tfsa for today. You want to open a tax-free savings account for direct investing. When you go to the bank, I don't know why, but they want you to just open a regular Tfsa that is for saving and not for investing. You have to tell them that, no, I want a tax-free savings account for direct investing. That is what I want to open. Once you tell them you want to open one for direct investing, then they will say, oh, how about you open this mutual fund? Someone will manage the money for you. They'll even give you incentives like, oh, if you put $1,000 in, we'll match that and give you another $1,000. This is how they sell their product of mutual funds. But if you are planning on doing self-directed investing, make sure you tell them, nope, I'm interested in self-directed. There will be no bonus for you signing up for this self-directed account, but this is what I would recommend. I would recommend opening a self-directed tax-free savings account. Different banks or different brokerage accounts will have different fees, so you need to make sure that you know what the fees are. When I opened my Tfsa, I remember that you had to apply online first, and then you had to actually go into the bank to finalize and open the account because you had to give them all sorts of IDs. During these COVID times, I'm not sure if they're still making people go into the branch, but that may be something that you may have to do. With I'll also show Wealthsimple and QuestTrade on what buttons you would press in order to open your tax-free savings account for investing. So let's start off with the Bank of Montreal. So you'll just type in BMO Direct Investing Tfsa and click on the first link that pops up on Google. Then you can go into the self-directed section or where it just says open an account. So I would click on that, and then you have different options: Tfsa, RRSP, cash account. I would just open the Tfsa. Make sure you don't choose options trading because it's for advanced people, it's not for beginners. And then you just fill this out and you're on to your next, you've opened the account. The next account that I'll talk about is TD Direct Investing. Once again, search it in Google, click the first link that pops up, and then here you can see the various types of accounts they offer. I would just go to the section that says select an account and then view all of the accounts. You can see there are margin, cash, and self-directed accounts. Just select the self-directed Tfsa. It'll prompt you to go into EasyWeb, which is their online platform, and then select the accounts that you want to add to your profile. So if you don't have an account, I'm not sure it'll look like this, but for me, this is how it looks. Select Tfsa and then click Let's Get Started. It will have you read all of their terms and conditions, and then fill out your identity verification information so that you can then open the account. And then you've opened your account. Third, we'll go on to Rbc Direct Investing. Once again, follow the same steps and click the first link that pops up. You can see the different offers that they have. It's really for ETFs, but I would click open an account at the very bottom of the page. Once you've clicked that, select if you're RBC client or not yet. If you are, and then click Get Started. Fill in all your verification information so that they can see what identity you have, and then where it says Tfsa, select that. You can see there are other types of accounts. I have videos on those, so I'll link it above. And then you just have to verify your identity once again. Once you do that, you'll be taken through the process and you've opened the account. So next we have Cibc, same thing, search Cibc Direct Investing, click on the first link. So their website is a little bit more confusing than the others. So when you get to the Tfsa section, you need to scroll down and then find the section that says investments. So you're going back a step, open Tfsa again and click learn more. And once you've clicked Learn More, it'll take you to this page where you can then select Open and Contribute. So this is how you actually open the account. Here, you first have to make a Cibc account before you even start, and then you fill in all your information, and there you are. Next, I'll explain Wealthsimple Tfsa, Wealthsimple Trade Tfsa. It is one of the independent companies that I suggest using, and you can scroll down to where it says Accounts and open a Tfsa. Then click Start Investing. As you can see, the UX is very good on these platforms, much more user-friendly than the others, and then all you have to do is start your account. Last but not least, we'll go and explain QuestTrade. So once again, type in QuestTrade Rbc Direct Investing, click on the first link, and then it will take you to their website. Once you get here, at the very top, you can see it says Self-Directed Investing and Quest Wealth Portfolios. I would choose Self-Directed Investing and then choose the Account Types section so you can see which one you want to open. Once you've clicked there, you can scroll down to the bottom and click Get Started. Then again, you can choose whichever account you want, margin, Tfsa, retirement savings plan, and then click Open Now. You will have to build your profile and input all your information, and then you'll be able to open your account. Let me know below which bank or which brokerage you have opened your account with, and let me know how you like it. Are you with Wealthsimple and do you like it? Are you with TD and do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. When you call them, remember to tell them tax-free savings account for investing, self-directed investing. No mutual funds, no margin account. You want a tax-free savings account because this is where all the benefits are. I'll also upload a video up here about the benefits of a Tfsa so you can learn more about it before you open the account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what other questions you want me to answer and I will answer them for you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.